Here I've got SPIPHONE A10 Pro, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select the Backup and Reset, and here simply activate Backup My Data by tapping on the switcher. Just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account. Okay, so I've just connected, and now create a backup account by clicking on backup account icon. And then click on add account. Wait a couple of seconds, because if you have been already logged in with your Google account, then your device will just know it and you will not have to log in with your Google account, but I will do it. So let me enter my email address. You can also log in with your phone number if you want to. It's HardReset.Info. @gmail.com, and then click on next. Now you have to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only you enter the password, click on next. And here you can come along with all Google terms of service, and if you agree with all the conditions, click on I agree. And here it is. As you can see, backup your device's apps, app data, settings and Wi-Fi password using your Google account so that you can easily restore later. Is active, so click on next to finish the whole process, and that's it. That's basically all. Here's your backup account and also the active function of backupping by Google. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.